Our presentation is on HSBC. Okay, so here is our module name, which is Global Operations Module, and the module code is 7044SSL, and the assignment title was Group Presentation. And here are our group members. We are of three members, um, which includes Karthik Reddy and Bharat Yadav with me, along with me. And the next slide, which shows the table of contents. Uh, which includes introduction, overview of lean production, and a historical evolution of lean and why lean developed, and HSBC UK organizational background, lean adoption at HSBC UK, understanding globalization and impacts of globalization on lean adoption, and environmental impact of lean at HSBC UK, and best strategy of lean implementation, and possible issue in lean implementation, and mitigation strategies, and finally conclusion part. So coming to the next slide, which explains about introduction part of the project. So this this presentation explains the role of globalization in adoption of lean production in service organizations. Okay, this will start by defining the team globalization and its impacts to index efficiency in service industries. Okay, this reason why HSBC UK is chosen is due to its global natural and dedication towards content improvement. So coming to the next stage, next slide, which explains overview of lean production, which is lean production is a kind of um, philosophy that isn't considered with cons- constant improving and reducing waste. It is based on Toyota production system that values efficiency and quality and meaningful work of Toyota. Uh, the core value and the value steam flow, pull, and provisions which are directed by the nation of Jedka and just in time. And coming to the next slide, which explains the historical evolution of lean, where lean also has its origin in flow-based production of Henry Ford, which is on 1913, and the idea of automation and Sekshi and Toyota in 1924. This was formalized in past WW2s and Japan, and the Toyota made in Jeddah and just in time formal version in 2024. And towards the 1980s towards 1990s, lean was dismanaged all over the world and has come to be used as service and digital applications. And the next slide goes to the Karthik. So I asked Karthik to take over.
Hello. Lean was created to solve inefficiencies brought about by conventional mass production. It advocates to do more with less on value creation and waste eradication. Globalization made competition and customer expectations high, and lean was crucial in ensuring the high quality and responsiveness in various international markets. Lean was created as a business approach to inefficiency and waste and change of customer demands. Organizations wanted to be productive, effective, and quality improvement. With the speed of globalization, lean practices were in tandem with the increasing demand of speed. And the next slide is organizational background of HSBC UK. The HSBC UK is a venture subsidiary of HSBC Holdings PLC. It offers services to both personal and corporate banking with 23,900 employees, having high levels of innovation, digitalization, and compliance. HSBC links customers and business to global opportunities in a responsible manner. And HSBC UK is a major financial service provider with a base of over 15 million customers and has its headquarters in Birmingham. It offers retail, commercial, and wealth management services in different brands with a strong focus on digital banking and customer care. Sustainable development in another priority of the organization in its international network organization. And the next slide is about lean adaptation at HSBC UK. The adoption of lean by HSBC is aimed at eliminating complexity and enhancing customer experience. The bank gets rid of inefficient, digitalized process and pushes a culture of innovation through its continuous improvement programs. And this project improve the level of service, cost optimization, and the organization. And the HSBC UK uses the concepts of lean to improve the process of service delivery. Some of the lean tools used to streamline back office operations, loan processing, and customer onboarding, including value stream mapping and standard work. These are the tools that seek to boost efficiency, streamline the process, and guarantee constant growth in the transformation effects of the organization. And the next slide is about understanding of globalization. Globalization brings together economies and societies, and this impacts on global service organization operations. In the case of companies such as HSBC, integration requires efficiency, flexibility, and customer orientation. The technological changes and global trade have influenced the manner in which the services are offered, where the pressure is to automate. And globalization is the overall process of communication and connecting of individuals, organizations, and governments on global scale, which is in 2022, and it encourages trade, innovation, and culture exchange due to advancement in technology and communication. It increases competition, customer expectation, and demands of operational efficiency in global service industries. And next will be explained by my teammate Bharat.
Thank you, Karthik. And hi everyone, this is Bharat, and I'll tell about the impact of globalization on lean adoption. This slide mainly tells about the negative effects of globalizations. And the negative effects, there are many negative effects of globalization. First of all, terrorism and increased lifestyle diseases and unemployment and displacement of workers and currency fluctuations and price instability and job insecurity. And we have seen in that image. And globalization promotes HSBC to align its lean practices around the world to exploit technology and talent diversity. The digital tools increase lean flow, collaboration, and data-driven improvement. And also, the negative effects of globalizations are efficiency and innovations are encouraged by cross-border knowledge sharing, and it is the alignment that enables international firms like HSBC to execute smarter and quicker and more flexible operations. And also the effectiveness of lean with digital helps in real-time tracking of performance and system innovation to maintain the same levels of services throughout the HSBC international network. And the main problems of globalizations are terrorism and currency fluctuation and displacement of workers and job insecurities. And this is the impact of globalization in green adoption. And coming to the next slide, this slide tells about that environmental impact of lean at HSBC. And we can see in the image the climate change does not do borders. And also there are top three external of externals of percentage, which is like policy and government is 30%, and also financial institutions are 33%, and supply chain partners are 30%. In combining of lean with its net zero transition plan, HSBC minimizes the waste and carbon emissions and enhances the digital efficiency. And also, these are complementing the goal of HSBC to become a net zero bank by 2050, as the operational excellence makes environmental responsibility parts of its vision in HSBC 2024. And also, the optimization of HSBC processes reduce the utilization of resources, and the automation of HSBC reduces the energy consumption. The sustainable finance strategy and long-term environmental commitments of HSBC are backed by the continuous improvement thinking of lean. And coming to the next slide, this slide tells about that best strategy of lean implementation. And the strategies of lean implementations of predetermined by the leadership commitment and employee training and the combination of lean and digital transformation and sustainability objectives. The main lean implementation of HSBC UK is the small scale pilots of lean should be used by HSBC to experiment with the efficiency tools and be confident. And the involvement of leadership is essentially to facilitate to cultural change, whereas perpetual training helps to become a problem solver. And also, these will guarantee ongoing enhancement and will assist instilling a sustainable culture of efficiency and innovation in the organization. A combination of lean, digital, and sustainability efforts will improve agility and also operational resilience. And coming to the next slide, this slide tells about the possible issues in lean implementation. And we can see in the image there are investment profile and also assist location and investment selection and portfolio monitoring and strategy refinement and reporting and reviews. These five are the clients. And also these slide mainly tells about that employees engagement and mindset is a key to lean success. Adoption may be hampered by culture restraints and lack of knowledge, as suggest. The main challenge HSBC has to deal with include balancing between cost efficiency and innovation and guaranteeing clarity in communication among the different teams to avoid misunderstandings and consistency of lean practices. And coming to the next slide, this slide tells about the mitigation strategies in HSBC UK. And there are the two types of mitigation strategies: one, core long-term investments, and also satellite strategic investments. And this tells mainly about that AI Mani 2024 underlining the social change management is the key to the implementation of lean. HSBC needs to engage the employees at the initial stages by opening communication and provide the continuous training and monitoring KPIs such as efficiency gains and waste reductions, allow them making flexible adjustments that facilitate long-term improvement and organizational resilience. And coming to the next slide, and this is the conclusion part of HSBC UK. Lean is the strategic reaction to globalization which promotes efficiency and agility. And the example of lean principles implemented at HSBC show that it can improve the competitiveness and contribute to sustainability. And the bank integrates ongoing enhancement and online technologies to organize its operations and accordance with the international efficiency indices. The strategic advantage of being environmentally friendly and also teamwork will be beneficial to HSBC in the long run. And coming to the next slide, these are the references we have taken to complete this assignment, and also these are the individual reflections of member one Gajal Rohit. And we have learned about in individual reflections of introduction and main body where we have what we have learned and what challenges we face. And also how did we manage them. And that's it. Thank you.